So what is up guys, I'm Nikesh Purit and today I will solve the problem of unusable network in HoneyGain. तो अगर आपको वीडियो हिंदी में चाहिए तो मैंने पहले से बना चुका हूँ, तो लिंक है उसमें देख लेना. तो let's get started. So directly going to my home page and I will show that I am also suffering from same problem of unusable network. So I will tap on my unusable network problem and I will just tap on my I button of your unusable network on the right red strip. So they detected have a VPN or something wrong. I'm doing illegal something what I'm doing, so they are not using my network. So for solving this problem we will directly go to any web browser. So I'm going to the Google. You can go from any your favorite browser. So just tap on IP2 location, www.ip2 location on Google, and as you go tap on the first link as you see ip2location.com and just tap on try demo. So as you tap on try demo, the IP address of your Wi-Fi will be showing on the page and you have to just see that usage type. So this is the usage type, data center web hosting transist. So if your Wi-Fi is showing the data center, then your HoneyGain app will be not detecting your network. So you have to contact with your network provider that please change my data center settings so that you can use your network to HoneyGain, or you can buy directly from this page. Or otherwise I have one more solution for this. If you don't want to change your data center and keep your Wi-Fi as this, then you have to just directly go to your settings of data and just off your Wi-Fi and use your data of Airtel or any of your local data. So there is only two solutions for this unusable network. Either you can change your IP address of Wi-Fi, or you can only use your HoneyGain app on data. So only two solutions are there. If you like this video, or if you want more videos of HoneyGain, then do subscribe and just tap on the I button above for more HoneyGain's video. I have made playlist for it. So let's get started for another video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you later.